Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti, and we are here for our morning maths class. So, children, let's get started. And before we start, let me tell you we are live on YouTube. Kindly make sure that you are answering in the live chat box. And if you have any queries, any doubts, let me know there. Okay. And so, the topic that we are going to cover today is perimeter. Okay. Let's see. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary. You can also say the length of the border. That is what we call as perimeter. Every figure, each and every figure has a border like this. If I talk about this shape, this figure, the red line that you can see is the perimeter, is the border of this figure. If you look at this rectangle shape, the red line here is the perimeter, the border. This arrow you can see, the blue line you see, that is a border. Border is the outline, the boundary. Okay. This shape too has a border. The red outline, border. So length of the border is called as perimeter. The length of the border is called as the perimeter. So we will be finding the perimeter of some figures in today's class. So this is our figure. We need to find out the perimeter of this figure. So it's very easy. Perimeter, you know, is the length of the border. Here, the perimeter of the figure is, you just see, to find the perimeter, it's just like you have to add all the outlines, add all the, the length of the border. So here, starting from 5 meters, then 25 meters, plus 15 meters, plus 10 meters. When you add all of them, you will get 55 meters. 5 meters plus 25 meters plus 15 meters plus 10 meters is 55 meters. Now let's solve few other questions. So this is a square. In a square, you know that all the sides are equal. So even if one side is given, we can it is understood that all the sides are 25 centimeter, because in a square all the sides are equal, right? So perimeter of the figure is 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeters. Yeah. So it's just the sum of all sides, you can say. It's the sum of all sides. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. You just add all the sides and you will get the perimeter. Okay. So that's how it goes. 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, it's 100 centimeters. Now you can also check it like 4 times 25. Instead of doing 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, you can do 4 times 25, which is 100 centimeters. Both the answers are same. Now the side is 30 centimeters. Okay. Can we do this? 30 centimeters. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. What will it be? Or you can also do like 4 times 30. What is it? So the perimeter is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. That is 120 centimeters. Okay. You can also do like 4 times 30, which is equal to 120 centimeters. Okay. Both ways, the answer is same. Next, you have to find the perimeter of square whose side, one of the sides is like, actually, all the sides of a square are equal. So this is given 60 centimeter. That means all the sides are 60 centimeters, as you can see. Find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so here 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 240 centimeters. 240 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. Yeah. You can also check it like 4 times 60, which is equal to 240. Because 4 times 6 is 24, and then 1 0 here. 240 centimeters. Next one, we can see, like we found the perimeter of some square. Now here we can say that perimeter of the square is 4 times the side of square. Like if you are doing like side, wait a second. Either you are doing side plus side plus side plus side. You can also do it like 4 times the side. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of the square, because all the sides of the square are equal. Okay. Next one. Side of the square is given here. Like I'll be showing you the side of the square. You have to tell the perimeter of the square. Okay. Let's do it. So first is 12 centimeter. I'll give you 30 seconds for every question. Actually, 30 seconds are more than enough, but yeah, it's fine. Let's do it. 12 centimeter is the side. Find the perimeter. Yeah. So 12 times 4 or 4 times 12 is equal to 48 centimeters. 48 centimeters. Next one is this 20 centimeter. 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters is the side of the square. So here 4 times 20 is 80. 80 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. 80 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. Next one, 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. So 15, 4 times 15 is 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. If you're getting the same answers, that means you are doing great. Superb. If not, then please focus and try to understand. And if you have any queries related to this, please let me know in the chat. 6 meters is the next question. So 6 meters, 4 times 6 is 24 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. Now, we will be finding the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter is same like the boundary, the border. Okay. Here, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay. If this is 12 meters, this is also 12 meters. This is 8 meters, this is also 8 meters, right? As you know, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Here, that's how we are going to find the perimeter. Sum of all sides, 12 plus 12, 8 plus 8, which is 40 meters. But you can also do it like 12 plus 8. First, you have taken one pair, 12 plus 8, then times 2, because there are two pairs now. So that's why 12 plus 8 one time, which is equal to 20, and do times 2. In both ways, you will get the same answer. Okay. Next one. In a rectangle, you know that opposite sides are equal. These are the, measurement of the sides. Please find out the perimeter of the rectangle. I know the other way is already written there, but yeah, do it. So here it is 11 plus 11 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 30 meters. Also, you can do it like 11 plus 4, which is equal to 15. And as there are two pairs, this is the first one, and this is the second one. So what you can do, 11 plus 4 times 2. 30 meters, you don't have to do it again and again. You don't have to add all the numbers again. Okay? Find the perimeter of rectangle. These are the sides. Please do it. These are so easy that you can do them verbally. Just look at the length of the sides and then it's done. That's it. See the sum of two sides, different sides, and then just times 2, you're done. So here 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30, which is equal to 100 meters. Remember that writing the unit is very important. Or here, what you can do is, look. Yeah, this. 30 plus 20, which is equal to 50 meters times 2. Okay, 100 meters. Right? Let's do the next one. Here we go. One second. So here I would like to change something. This is, yeah, this is like this. 8, 8, 6, 6, because the opposite sides are equal, right? So 8, 8, 6, 6. Okay, so here perimeter of the rectangle is 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 28 meters. Also, it's like 8 plus 6, one pair first, 8 plus 6, which is equal to 14, and then times 2, because there are two pairs. So we can say that perimeter of the rectangle is, this is length, you know that this is width, length and width. We can say that perimeter of rectangle can also be written as 2 times the length plus the breadth. That's what we did. We did 2 times, like we just added one pair, okay, and then did times 2, because there are two pairs, right? So we can say that 2 times the length plus breadth. First, you add separately length and breadth, or you can do it there only, length plus breadth, and then do times 2. So this is how you can calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. This is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, let's move on to some other questions, right? Okay, uh, here we go. Find the perimeter of rectangle. This is the length and this is the width. You need to find what is length plus width here. Look, length plus width is 20 plus 10, which is 30. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus breadth, 2 times 30, which is equal to 60. Yeah. Showing you another question. Please do it. 30 is the length and 10 is the width. 30 is the length, 10 is the width. So 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 centimeters and 2 times 40 centimeters is equal to 80 centimeters. Yeah, 80 centimeters. Next one, 8 meters and 2 meters. Length is 8 meters, width is 2 meters. How will you do it? Simple. First, 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10 meters. Now, 2 times 10 meters is 20 meters. 20 meters is the perimeter. 13 meters and 7 meters. 13 meters is the length and 7 meters it's the breadth. All right. So, I'm so sorry for that. We were on this 13 meters and 7 meters. I hope it's done. So here, 13 plus 7 is 20 meters. 2 times 20 meters is 40 meters. 40 meters is the perimeter. Okay, before we do more of these questions, let me take you to an interesting question, which is this. So here you need to find the perimeter of this figure. And you know, perimeter is the sum of all sides. You just need to add all the sides to find the perimeter. And let's get started. I hope you're almost done. Okay, so here to find the perimeter, as you know, perimeter is the sum of all sides. To find the perimeter, we will do the same. We will add all the sides. Okay, how we will add all the sides? Over here. Look, first we will add all the 2 meters. Okay, there either you can add one by one, all of them, or you can just simply, take the similar ones. 2 plus 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 2. How many times? So these are 8 times, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Added all of them. Then you can add the 5 meters. 5 meters are 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 2 added 16 times, we can also say it's 2 added 8 times, we can also write it as 2 times 8, which is 16 meters. And 5 added 4 times, we can also write it like 5 times 4, which is 20 meters. So 16 meters plus 20 meters is equal to what? Here, 20 plus 16 is 36 meters. That is the answer. 36 meters is the answer. So this is the perimeter of this figure. The perimeter of this figure is 36 meters. Even if you add all of them like this, 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, then also it will be the same. Okay? Because perimeter is the sum of all sides, no matter how you are adding. It's just, adding all the sides together. Okay? So yes, children, with this, we are done with our today's class. I hope you understood whatever we have done today. If you still have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the live chat or in the comment section after this class. And yes, as I always say, please practice because practice will make you perfect. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. I'm going to see you super soon again tomorrow. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day, everyone.